Alright, today, we're going off-roading today.
Getting a little off-road session,
Check this out. Oh, I can't turn the camera around. Look,
You can't turn
we're
the
going
camera
up there to
around.
the mountain.
That's upside down.
We're probably gonna blow up the Jeep,
Oh, it's gonna, I mean,
and we're
probably gonna blow up.
We're gonna have a good day. We'll see
mean,
what happens.
We'll see what happens.
You
though.
never know.
Cheers, brother.
Cheers, brother. Check it out. The boys is out here in the mountains.
Boys out here.
It's thundering. You can't really hear it no more. It just stopped. But check this out.
Fuck you, dude.
Oh, he said, "Fuck all you guys." Check this out. We're out here in the mountain. Like we can get a. Blah! There you go. I didn't throw the other part in. Oh, check this out. Look, we got we got a little bit of mud on us.
I'm gonna go take a piss.
It reminds me of pee in the woods. Look, we got a little bit of mud on us. Nothing crazy. He's peeing right there. Check it. It's kind of cold out here. It's a good old-fashioned, I don't know, 45 degrees, so it ain't that cold. But it's raining. Look, it looks cool as fuck out here, though. Check. Family. He's peeing. Look how fast it's moving.
Yeah, look at that shit.
Look at that. All right. Look, in the next split second, you guys are about to see us vortex a beer because we're out in Mexico, so we can just do whatever we want.
Far.
Check this out. This whole thing's going down in a split second. This is water, by the way.
It's just water, dude. All right.
Drinking a cup of piss, dude. Here we go.
I'm scared, guys. I'm scared.
Here we go. Let's see.
I forgot how to do it. How do you do it again? I forgot.
So you go up, and then when it's upwards, you spin it around like that.
Okay.
And we might throw up.
It might.
So
okay.
it might get a little faster.
Here we go.
Here we go.
Here we go. Ready?
Cheers, brother. Cheers, brethren.
Cheers, brethren.
Oh,
this
fuck.
is water. I fucked it up. I still got a little bit left, guys.
That was a good one. Those went in the trash.
We're stuck.
All right, look, we're giving the boys an inside view.
We got
of
some
what it looks
inside action, son.
like. Check it out.
Oh, there's
look at his brother. My bad.
Oh, there's a brother right here. My bad, brother.
Path, and we didn't even know.
How's it going, brother? We appreciate you.
Shit. What's going on, brother man?
How's it going, brother?
Brother man.
That's a dope Jeep,
Jeep's
son.
better than mine. Brother man.
Here we go, people. Wow, mounted. We're fully torqued up.
Torqued up. The boys are getting torqued in the mountain. What? Oh fuck. We're sliding.
Uh-oh, we're stuck, folks.
Stuck.
Let me get some
four-wheel drive,
get some
man.
window action here. Get some window action on you guys here. Let me get some window action for you guys. Oh, hell yeah. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. Oh, yeah, buddy. Yeah, buddy. Hell yeah.
Hell yeah. Hell yeah, brother.
Hell yeah. Hell yeah.
It's raining up in this bitch.
Y'all already know what it is.
We'll let y'all see outside a little bit.
Get some that outside rain action. Oh shit. Oh shit.
It was supposed to rain a whole lot more today, but it's not looking like it.
Not looking like it.
But we still could be breaking something. You never know.
I mean, you never know.
There might be something dangerous happening here. Oh shit.
Fuck.
Jesus.
We're in Mexico, folks. Y'all already know the deal, son. Y'all already know the deal. Sonny boy. Sonny boy. Sonny boy. Bow! Get some of that close-up action for you guys. Some of that close-up action. Some of that close-up.
Hell yeah,
Fuck, there's like nothing to hold on to. Okay. Hell yeah, brother! Hell yeah, brother! Hell yeah, dude! Hell yeah!
All right, y'all. That was the end of our off-road trip.
That's it,
It was
son.
doper than fuck.
Doper than fuck.
It
You guys
didn't-
are gonna love it.
It didn't rain as good as we thought it was going
It's
to.
all sunshine and rainbows now.
We're still off-roading, but it's not
Yeah, you already
raining,
know the
so it's
deal.
not as cool to get any footage. But you know the deal. Just hit the subscribe button
Hit the
really
s-
quick when it's
hit-
like this big,
Hit that subscribe button.
and then you know, just you don't even gotta watch the video. Just put it on, let it play, and walk away.
Yeah,
Who gives a
exactly.
shit? Just put it on.
Subscribe
Yeah,
button.
who
That's
gives
all
a
that
shit?
matters.
Press 2 buttons and just walk off. Who
That's
gives
it.
a shit?
Hell yeah,
But we'll
brother.
catch y'all hoes in the next one.
Hell yeah, brother.
Peace out, brother.